In this video, we're going to learn about Excel's wonderful and powerful GOALSEEK feature. So our file is lemonade gs temp. And so let's briefly explain what GOALSEEK is used for. So probably many of you have been in the following situation. You've been in a presentation, and let's suppose you have a spreadsheet that says the company is going to make $5 million of sales, grow 10% a year. And the boss says, well, we need to make $10 million. How fast do sales have to grow? So you frantically change the annual growth rate in sales until the profit or net present value hits $10 million. You should have used GOALSEEK. If you ever want to change a cell, let's call it an input cell, in a spreadsheet, so a formula hits a desired value, use GOALSEEK. Okay, so let me show you the GOALSEEK window, and there are three parts I want to go over with you, and then we'll do some examples. So data, what if analysis, GOALSEEK. Okay, there's a set cell, value, and changing cell. Set cell is the formula, okay, when you want the formula that you want to hit a given value. And again, going back to this, to value is the value you want the formula to hit. And then the changing cell is the cell you can change. It can only be a single cell. Later with Solver, we can talk about maybe doing something like GOALSEEK with multiple cells. Now, the only problem is when you save a spreadsheet, the GOALSEEK settings are not saved. And this is pretty annoying, but that's life. Okay, so let's go back to that Starbucks example and do something called break-even analysis. I'm sure many of you took cost accounting, and break-even analysis means how many units do you have to sell to break even on a project. Okay. And of course, most companies want to do better than break even, but it's still an important aspect of analysis. You see how many you have to sell to break even, and if it's reasonable that you could sell that many, then it's probably a good business deal. If it's not reasonable to sell that many, it's a bad business deal. Okay, so let's suppose you charge $3 for the cup of coffee, and let's just make up a demand of 10,000 cups of coffee per year. Then we've got our revenue, our variable cost, and our profit. So what we would like to know is, for break-even analysis, what do we have to change the demand to so the profit equals 0? Okay, so given the price of $3. So let's suppose you don't know GOALSEEK. You manually increase the demand. We're losing money now. So we should sell more to break even. But we sell 15,000, we still lose money. Well, let's raise it to 20,000 per year. We make money. So at 15,000 cups of coffee per year, we lose money. At 20,000 cups of coffee per year, we make money. Somewhere in between should be the place that we break even. And that's not a job for a bird or plane or Superman. That's a job for GOALSEEK, and not manually changing the numbers. So data, what if analysis, GOALSEEK. Okay, the set cell is profit. The value is 0. And the changing cell is the demand. So Excel will keep changing D2 until the profit hits 0, and you'll see that it works. All right, so 17, you can see the profit 0. If we sell 17,647, and don't forget the 0.05, I don't care. 17,647 cups of coffee a year, we break even. Now, is that reasonable? Well, let's think about that. Let's do that per day. So it's 48 cups of coffee a day. And if we're open, let's say 12 hours a day, most Starbucks are open way more than that. All you got to do with that cost structure is sell 4 cups of coffee per hour. Now, gosh, if you can't do that, you wouldn't want to be in this business anyway. And we know Starbucks has been incredibly successful and had a big influence on the American business landscape. Okay, so that's one example of GoalSeek. In the next video, we'll show you how you can combine GoalSeek with Excel functions. Like we combine data tables with Excel functions. We'll do something very similar to that.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.